Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sam. I'm a salon professional, a salon owner, and I'm here to teach you tips, tricks, and techniques all about how to hair. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my amazing hair tutorials and amazing hair giveaways. With that being said, guys, we are doing a giveaway today, so make sure you watch the video all the way to the end to get the instructions on how to win this amazing Sam Style Studios Essential Survival Kit for COVID-19. But the first clue is at the end of this video, so make sure you watch all the way till the end, guys. So let's get to it. This video is about how to hair treatments at home. Step one, I like to call this the pre-treatment. So this step is not a hair mask. This is a treatment. It is a bonding treatment. It is my favorite. So before I start any of my treating process, I do the Olaplex3, guys. There you go. So the Olaplex3 is a bonding system that strengthens the hair. It does not moisturize the hair. So if you're color treating, mechanically damaging, your hair is just fried and breaking at the ends, Olaplex3 basically will rebond the hair and rebuild the hair to strengthen it. So that's why I start with this one to get my hair the healthiest. And little tip, guys, if you are coloring your hair or extremely bleaching your hair to get those vibrant colors like that light platinum blonde or the icy gray, you want to do this 3 times prior to your color service because it will help strengthen the hair. I have my clients basically using this the whole time before they color their hair again. But Olaplex treatment is like gold, guys. So make sure, I will put the links below so you guys can get that. Olaplex3 is the customer's at-home treatment that you can do. There is also a 1 and a 2 Olaplex treatment, but that is in salon use only. So go ahead and talk to your stylist if you do want the Olaplex 1 and 2. It is the derivative of the 3, which means it's just more potent and has the direct formula, less diluted. But this one's easier for you guys to use and also available for you guys. But I'm super excited, guys, since Olaplex3 used to only come in the 3.3. They only come in the 3.3, but they just launched the 8.5. I will put it in the links below, so don't forget to check that out in the description area. This video was not endorsed, nor am I affiliated with Olaplex. I am a stylist and I'm just in love with Olaplex, and when it came out, I just loved it and I bought all of their products. So quick side note, guys, they have a numbered system. It is 1 through 7, like I was talking about the numbers. I don't know if I mentioned that before, so that's why I'm gonna mention it now. It's 1 through 7. 1 and 2 is salon use only. 3 to 7 or you can use at home products. And so the way the system works is the 1 and 2 is like 1, 2, and 3 is the actual treatment and the bonding. 4 and 5 is the shampoo conditioner, and then 6 is the leave-in treatment, and then 7 is the hairstyling oil, I believe. But if you guys want me to go over that more, just go ahead and put it in the comments below, and I will break down the system so that you guys can see an overall and why 1 and 2 is in salon use only. But for now, guys, we are just going to be using the 3 for the pre-treatment, and so I'm going to show you guys what to do. So make sure you get your tools ready and spread out on the counter so we can get started. Okay, guys, because at home you do not have clips. I do have clips here. I'm not going to use clips because I want to let you guys know that you can use other things than professional clips. You can use things like rubber bands or bobby pins. So I will be using rubber bands today. So first, guys, we're gonna start by sectioning off the hair, and we're gonna slice it down the middle. It does not have to be perfect, guys. This is a treatment. Sorry, I teased my hair for stressed out hair look. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and comb that all the way down the middle and separate all the way through the back and bring 2 quadrants first, 2 sections. And then we're gonna take one of those 2 sections and we're gonna take it right behind the ear and slice it in half. So it's like that, and then you're gonna take this section right here, which is a big section. We may break that down if you have thicker hair into 2 more sections. But first, we're just gonna twist it around here. Make a cute little bun. I'm gonna look like Sailor Moon, I think. Is that the one that has the, I think it's Sailor Moon. All right. So there we go. We have that cute little bun right there. That's looking adorable. I wasn't trying to go for a cute look, but all right. And there we go. Now we have the next section off. And you don't have to rubber band the two bottom sections, guys, because we're gonna be putting the Olaplex in those first. And what I like to do is comb out my hair a little bit with a wide tooth comb. Yes, that is extremely wide tooth. You might not need that. If you only have something like this, not a big deal. Go ahead and just comb those knots out if you have any. And I like to use this on dry hair. You can dampen the hair to make the product manipulate a little bit more. But just a side note, guys, do not put too much water on it because you don't want it completely saturated because it will dilute the product. So then I'm gonna show you guys the amount. So I do about a quarter size, just like that, guys. And then I run it through my hair. Obviously, if you have a little bit of thicker hair, you might want to use a little bit more product. That's why I like the 8.5 that's coming out. I'll say I do an Olaplex treatment once a week. Oh, by the way, take your comb and comb that through because we want that evenly distributed, guys. There we go, perfect. All right, and then now we're gonna take the next back section, like that. I'm gonna comb it through. And for the cape and drape, I'm not wearing one today, guys, just because I'm trying to show this to you quickly for video purposes. I'm ready to comb that through too, just before I show you. But if you are using a towel, hold on, you want it to be covered in clothes like this. I just didn't want to wear it because it's like kind of constraining. Just wear an old t-shirt so that way you don't have to worry about wearing the towel. But if you need coverage, go ahead and use a towel or like a trash bag like I was saying in the description, or a cape if you have one if you are a professional. But for right now, no cape for me. All right, guys, go ahead and comb the product through the hair evenly, distribute that. And then we're gonna work on the top sections. Oh yeah, that's super Sailor Moon right there. I think she actually had her ponytails all the way out. So go ahead and take down that next section, guys. I'm gonna take another quarter size. And like I said, this section is a little big, so I am gonna cut this in half, actually. So cut that in half again, guys, like that. Oh. And then just run that through. And you can marry the two sides together, so that way it kind of gives it a little bit more manipulation of the product if you would like. And then also too, if you are gonna dampen the hair, if you're running out, because sometimes I get to the very bottom and I'm like, just go ahead and take a spray bottle and slightly dampen the hair. Don't oversaturate. All right. And there we go. And so now that we have this side completely done, make sure the hair is all saturated with the product, and then you're basically going to manipulate and do the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, now that we have that all on our hair, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all of our hair in a top knot at the top of our hair, and you could either just leave it in the top knot and put a towel over your pillows, or you can put a shower cap in, but I like to sleep with this in my hair. You can leave it in from 10 minutes to 10 hours. When it feels dry, it's just stopped working. So whenever it feels dry, you're done. But I tell all my clients just to leave this in your hair overnight. But anyways, so we're gonna put it into a top knot, and what I mean by a top knot, if you guys don't know what a top knot is you're gonna take your hair into a high ponytail. And you wanna do this loosely, guys. You don't wanna like do it too tight, especially the twisting. And if you're gonna do a braid, do a very light braid. Get rid of some of these knots and craziness here. My hair is definitely in need of a treatment today. Okay guys, so, and then you're just gonna wrap the hair lightly around like that. And I like to just take one rubber band, and I don't even twist it, I just leave it on like that. so it feels loose, but it's gonna stay. Just put the towel over your pillowcases and go to sleep with it in. If you have a shower cap like this one, then go ahead and use it, guys. I love this shower cap from Unite. It reminds me so much of my grandma when she used to get her hair set and then take showers with the cap on. I love this cap. It's my favorite cap. Look at that. Love it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go to sleep and then rinse this out in the morning. For video purposes, guys, I'm just going to leave it on for the 10 minutes just because I do not want to take up all your time. So we're just going to wait for 10 minutes. Video editing. There we go. 10 minutes are up. Now I'm going to take this out of my hair. And what you guys want to do is you want to shampoo your hair like normally. And then we're going to actually put the mask in next, guys. Rinse out the Olaplex completely, okay? I love this one by Unite. It's pretty awesome. This is the one I was using until they came out with the Reunite mask, which I love too because that one's strengthening and moisturizing as well. But I like this one because in the instructions it says leave in for 10 minutes or longer if you fancy. And I was definitely fancy because I was sleeping with this in my hair. Two, I just want to do a little side note. If you cannot afford the mask, there's so many things on Pinterest that you can DIY your own hair masks at home. If you want me to do a whole segment on do-it-yourself masks that you can find stuff in your kitchen cabinets even, ones that work and ones that don't. If you guys want me to do that, just let me know in the comments below and I will go ahead and do a whole segment on DIY hair masks with a professional. But for this video purpose, I'm actually going to be using the Reunite mask. And I'll put the links below to those products as well. So really quick, guys, we are going to rinse this out, shampoo and condition, put our mask on for 10-15 minutes, and I will meet you guys back here. All right, guys, we're back. So I don't know about you, but in the shower, I do some of my best thinking. And I just wanted to let you guys know about some tips and tricks about the shower. Like right now, obviously we have all the time in the world to take a 10 to 20 minute shower, obviously. But I just want to say that if you are in a hurry, or if you're an essential worker, or if you have to homeschool your kids, because that's what's happening right now, do your shampoo and your mask in the beginning of the shower, because then you can just do whatever else you have to do, like body washing, shaving your legs, shaving, whatever it is you may need to do. But if you start in the beginning, then that way it's only 10 minutes that you're in the shower. And also another tip and trick, if you use cooler water, I'm not saying ice cold because that's kind of crazy, but if you use cooler water, your hair will be less frizzy, guys. So I know it's kind of rough to use cooler water, especially in the winter. In the summer, it's great, but it just helps with the blow dry and lets your hair like be less frizzy, especially if you have curly hair. You want to use cooler water, guys, okay? Just a little tip. With that being said, we'll get on to the blow dry and I'll show you the end results. All right, there you go, guys. And that is how you treat your hair. Look at how shiny and amazing that looks. How to hair treatment at home, guys. The whole reason I am starting my channel is to support and help others. My cause right now is supporting local small businesses in my area. At the end of all my videos, I'm basically going to support a small business that I feel that needs the support right now during all this craziness, because small business owners are taking a huge hit during the COVID-19. But today's business that I am supporting today is Simple Real Estate. They have an app, which I'll put the link below to their app, and they've helped refinance and buy our house, and I'm absolutely in love with them. So if you're in the Bay Area and you're looking to buy a home or refinance, go ahead and check out that app below, guys. And now, with further ado, the giveaway. Sam Style Studio Essential Survival Kit, guys. So this is how we're gonna do the giveaway, guys. I am going to give you a mission, and then you have to look for clue number 1. So the mission is, don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then comment below. And after you comment below, you will find the emojis. And this is like an Easter social media scavenger hunt. So you will see the emojis with your next clue, guys. I hope you guys have fun with this. I know I did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.